Hey guys, how's it going? I just finished eating a bowl of peanut butter, and I am really proud of that. I just wanted to let you know because I'm weird, and that's what I do. Get out of my face. All right. So as I promised, I will briefly go over this whole setting up equations things from our word problems because I know it was difficult for some people. Okay, which is cool. All right. So, Spider-Man was in a rush to save the day and forgot his yogurt, blah, blah, blah. I know you can read. The main thing about this, we know it's usually going to start with 1, but the main thing is that it was doubling. Doubling means times 2, right? Superman wasn't paying attention. He left 5 minutes later, which is super important. And the number of bacteria was increasing by a factor of 4. Like we talked about in class, that means, that means times 4. Okay. So let me set up my equation real quick. For the first side, my base is going to be 2 because that is the main number. That's what it's multiplying by. And the letter is going to be x here. Equals. The main number here that they're multiplying by is 4. And I need that letter x, right? While this is pretty close to being right, I'm sorry. It's wrong. I shouldn't say wrong. It's not done. We didn't talk about this piece right here. He left 5 minutes later. Okay? And like we said, we need to put a minus 5. Alright? I'm not really worried about the setting up equations piece. A lot of you guys have been showing a lot of strength with that. Let's just work on solving. And the great thing about a video is you can replay this 1,000 times if you need that. I need to make this number smaller. And this is what I'm going to use to do that. So I'll draw my little roof thingy. 4 divided by, 4 divided by 2. Since this is a 2, that's what I'm using. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. I don't need to break these down anymore because it's what I want on this side. So let me circle what I've got. 1, 2. Alright, let me rewrite this. It's going to be 2 to the x equals, instead of it being a 4, it's now going to be 2 to the second power, right? Because I've got a 2 inside of here, and I have 2 of them. This 4 just became that. I did not do anything with this yet, right? So let me write it down outside of here. X minus 5. You with me? Just in case if you got lost. 4, we broke it down. Here it is. 2 to the second equals 4. That's why they're the same color. This x minus 5, I didn't do anything with it. So that's why I wrote it down right there. Okay? Alright, let me get those colors away. Whoa, no. Alright. Whee! Distributive property. I don't care about these 2's anymore. Because we know, 2 equals 2, right? It's the same thing on both sides. I'm not worried about that. What I am worried about is what's up here. I'm trying to solve for that. So, I'm going to write down x for this side equals 2 times x, which is my first arrow with my horrible handwriting. 2 times x equals 2x. And if you have difficulty remembering that, just remember there's a multiplication sign hiding there. That is 2 times x when you write down 2x. Minus, my second arrow was 2 to 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Now there's a few ways you can go about solving this. The easiest way for me in my mind is get the x's on this side of the equal sign and get your number, not your hashtag, on that side. So let's do that. I want to get rid of this. In order to get rid of that, I'm going to take it away. In elementary school, you learn taking away means subtraction. 2x minus 2x, that cancels. If I had an x, remember there's a 1 there, minus 2x's, if you do that in the calculator, you're going to get negative 1x. So once again, let me highlight that so you can see that. 1 minus 2 equals negative 1. Okay. Equals what I have left over here. It's negative 10. Cool. Almost done. Negative 1. I need to divide by that. I need to get rid of it. I know sometimes the habit is some people want to add because they see this negative sign. But look, there's a multiplication sign there right next to the x. I'm trying to get rid of that. Alright, these guys cancel. And x equals, if you put this negative 10 divided by negative 1 in the calculator, you're going to get 10. Ta-da! Superman. Whoa, I didn't even realize I just made that. Let me just keep going. This is cool. Okay. Serious face. When is your test? I know we talked about it. It's on the block day. So depending when I have you, that's Wednesday or Thursday. And today is October the 26th. So that means in 2 days or 3 days from now. So you can stop listening to this video if you already got it. You're done. But I am going to show you how to solve this equation also for number 10 in your review packet. Yay! Alright. I'm going to set this one up quick. Bam. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to highlight important stuff in orange. Jared began collecting 3 times as many. Jared. So let me start that off. He's going to be 3 to the x equals 8 months later is important, but I need to find out what Sally is multiplying by. At the end of each month, here we go. 9 times more. So, since that's what they're multiplying, that goes there. X. And, I already highlighted it, this is important, 8 months later is going to be minus 8. Alright, cool. Let's start solving this. I've got a 3 over here. I need to make this 9 smaller. So let me use that 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Do I need to make these any smaller? The answer is no. Because I've got a 3 over here. Oh no. Alright, so let me circle my 3's. Bam. Bam. I didn't do anything on this side. So I'm just going to write 3 to the x equals, instead of 9, I just broke it down to be a base of 3. Let me count them up. I have 1. Let me highlight it so you can see. 1, 2. We've got 2 3's. So my exponent should be 2. Set this parentheses up because I did not do anything with this x minus 8. So I need to write that down outside of here. Right? If you want to try solving this on your own, you can stop the video right now. You can pause it for a second and try solving it because I'm going to keep going. I got to use my distributive property here. I don't care about these 3's anymore because I know that 3 equals 3. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about this top level with the exponents because I'm solving for x. Anyways, I've got x on this side equals 2 times x gives me 2x, just like the last problem. I got a minus here. 2 times 8 gives me 16. Just like I said with the last one, on the equal sign, I want the x on this side. Doesn't really matter, but I don't know. I feel like it makes it a little easier to remember what to do. X on this side, numbers on this side. Alright, so in order to do that, I've got to move this over here. How can I do that? I've got to take it away. So taking away means subtraction. I know one habit is sometimes people do this. Nope, you can't do that. Imagine like this is the wall of separation. If you subtract 2x on this side of it, this side needs a little love too. Subtract it from that side too. Alright, these cancel. 1x minus 2x, that's going to give me negative 1x on this side. I got my equal, so I'll just write that. Negative 16. Let me write that here. And hopefully you're able to do this part, but I'll do it anyways. Just divide by negative 1. And x equals, when you put this in the calculator, this part, negative 16 divided by negative 1. You know those negatives cancel. So you just got 16. Okay? Alright guys, that is it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to get back on and record another video for you. And it's going to show you how to do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold up. Maybe. I'll see how I'm feeling. We might go over number 6 too. Depends on how awesome you guys are, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are working really hard. Don't forget your test is coming up. So keep working hard, guys. Take care. Peace.